Hello X Squad, this is your boy Mafia X and welcome back to the channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you do right now. Do it right now, right? Hit the subscribe button and become part of the squad. Gang gang. So let's get to the video, man. So if you guys know me, bro, I don't know how to dance. I don't know how to do all that extra stuff, you feel me? All that shit Chris Brown be doing, I don't even know how he do it. And I can't learn. I don't know if dancing is for me at all, you feel me? Even when I go to the club, I be posting by myself. I'm like in the corner, mean mugging and stuff, looking like a gangster in the corner. But in reality, I just don't know how to dance. And I know most of you guys be doing the same thing. When you go to the club, you just hanging around like this. Just because you can't dance, you feel me? You just in the corner, chilling by yourself or chilling with your homies. None of you guys know how to dance. You just hanging out and acting all gangster, ready to fight and stuff. But really, you can't dance, bro. We know that. You just can't dance. So I went up to this app, right? And they say, oh, they're gonna show you how to dance. All you gotta do is set up the camera and dance in front of it. Like, do anything you want, and then they're gonna make you dance. So the app name is Sway. This is it right here. It's not focusing, but it's SWAY. Sway. I'm not getting paid to promote the app. I just want to know what it's all about. Is that you? Can the app really make me dance? I'm already feeling it, bro. I'm about to be a dancer. So let's go, guys. Let's see what the app is about. Is that really true? Am I gonna be able to dance? Alright, let's go. Let's go check it out. So okay guys, let's go on the app and see how it goes.
Howdy, welcome to Sway. Making your dances easy. Stand your phone upright and place it somewhere sturdy. Keep the camera still, prop it up, or have a friend hold it steady. Once you're ready, press record. Then move around for 30 seconds. Bend, stretch, and spin around. The more diverse your moves, the better your video. Just make sure your entire body is always on camera. And don't let anyone else in frame either. And that's it. Your dance will be ready soon. Seriously though, stay in frame. Let's capture your cowboy moves for the next 30 seconds. Feel free to follow our optional prompts, but you can freestyle too. Just stay safe and keep on moving. And go. Walk side to side. Rotate your head and walk around at the same time. Do some boxing moves. Crouch down. Do some random poses.
Nigga,
Do some, I don't know, football moves.
What was that?
Do an end zone dance.
What the fuck? Oh.
Nice job. Now let's pick a dance move. Where'd your feet go?
Oh. Am I done? Okay guys, that's me doing all that crazy stuff. Alright guys, so the video is ready. Let's see what it's all about. Is that really true? Am I gonna be able to dance? Let's see what's going on. Let's check it out. What? Whoa. That's crazy. You guys saw what I was doing, right? How in the hell did that happen, bro? Yo, that's crazy. Like, let me check it out again. Damn. What in the hell, bro? Yo, that's crazy, bro. Like, how? Ain't no way that is possible. Like, bro, it's like we in the future right now. Like, how did that happen? And I think we can make like more videos with it. Let's try to make some more videos and see what's going on. I think I'm ready to be Beyonce backup dancer. Can you guys tag Beyonce on this video so she can check me out, bro? I got Move. Look at that. I can't even do those stuff in real life. Like I can't dance for shit, bro. Alright, let's check if we can make another video with it. Let's see. Alright, I got another one.
Cover the illusion and trickery until what you get to see.
What? Alright, shake that thing. Let me see. God damn. Alright guys, go ahead and download the app and check it out. It's a pretty cool app. So that video made me dance just like Michael Jackson, you feel me? I feel like I'm the new Michael Jackson. Leave a comment in the video if you guys have tried the app. Let me know if you like it, if there's something else like this that I could try. But it's really nice, bro. I'm about to change my status. I'm about to change my bio. I'm a dancer now, so just make sure you guys subscribe and I'll be back when I'm out.